wow, so cute boxes. Hey, where are you going? Oops, what do we have here? Hi.
Hi, I'm Lali. And I'm Lily.
Perfect. Oh, secret packages, but we have nothing to open them with. I'll go grab the scissors. Wait here.
I can't wait any longer. Hold this package, Lily, and I'll pull like this. So what's in it? Oh wow, there's cardboard and craft paper. And mine is pom-poms and pipe cleaners. That slaps. I know how we're gonna use this.
Hey, what's going on here?
Ta-da! LaLiLu, look what we made.
Wow, you're both so talented. But now we have nothing left to make your dress from.
Here, I've got a piece of fur.
And where did you get that?
Over there.
Oh no, my pen holder. Lali, seriously?
And I found a piece of colored paper.
And where did you get that?
From over there.
Oh no, my sign.
LaLiLu, you have so many cool things in here. And I found rhinestones.
Good of you. Okay, Lily, come on out. I'm not mad.
Look, LaLiLu, it actually looks even better now.
Okay, I can't deal with both of you. Lali, you go draw, and I'll give Lily a makeover. We're gonna need some paper.
You can tear some off the box.
Perfect. Sketch out the top and cut it out. Done.
And we'll make the skirt from cardboard.
And where did you get that?
Also from the box.
Well, try it on. Perfect.
It's missing some decoration, and I know where to get some. Ta-da!
Great idea. Decorate the skirt with lightning bolts and the buns with stars.
Wow, exactly what I wanted.
Let's also make matching shoes. Color them with marker. And done.
What an amazing cardboard look we put together.
It really is. Let's go find Lali quick. Lali, show us what you've got.
Look what I drew.
Lali's diary is full of fun ideas and ready for your next adventure. Check it out through the link in the description. Wow, what a lovely fluffy look.
Yeah, I love drawing, especially dresses. I'm gonna be a designer. I want to be a designer too.
Great, then you sketch out your future outfits for now and we'll work on Lali's look. We'll need some fluffy fabric and pipe cleaners.
Yes, I already thought of everything.
Cut a piece and wrap smaller pieces around it to shape the skirt. Time to try it on.
Perfect, and we'll make the top blue. LaLiLu, can you help me? I can't reach.
Here you go, Lali.
Cut out the top pattern from fluffy fabric.
Well done, Lali. Pass the scissors. Let's try it on. Wow, it goes so well with the skirt.
And now for the magic. Lalicadabra.
Oh wow, absolutely dazzling. Let's also add a fluffy vest. There. Decorate it with pom-pom ribbon and add 2 big gems. And pipe cleaner for the buns.
Slay! It's just like my sketch. I love it so much. Oh, where did you come from? What's going on? Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Wow, you jumped so high. Gotcha. Oops. Whoa. Lali, what are you two doing? I just wanted to pet Lou. Come here, sweetie. You got scared, huh? You can pet her now. Don't be scared, Lou. Ugh, I'm so tired.
Time to get up.
Good morning, LaLiLu. It's time for school. See ya. Hop.
Lali, get up. Come on, wake up.
Leave me alone.
Rise and shine.
Oh no, I overslept. I was drawing all night and fell asleep. LaLiLu, what do I do? Look at all these sketches I drew. Oh gosh, nothing is ready. This is a total failure.
Calm down, Lali.
How can I calm down? There's almost no time left, and I can't go like this. LaLiLu, please help me.
Don't stress, Lali. We'll get it all done. Which outfit do you want?
This one.
Perfect. Let's go. Where do we start?
Let's start with the pants. This pink fluffy fabric is gonna be perfect. I've got the fabric.
Wow, that's exactly what we need. Cut it in half. Remove the extra. Now we need to sew it.
I can do that. Let's stitch it up. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, they're perfect. Oh, I have an idea for the top. There was some fabric around here somewhere. Oh, found it. And scissors. Cut it out. A little more. LaLiLu, look what I made.
Oh wow, good job. Let's try it on. Wow, it's gorgeous.
Now we need to add some details.
Should we use chenille wire?
Yes, perfect.
Cut a piece of pink wire and twist it into a heart shape. Frame it in blue. And voila, glue on some pockets.
Let's decorate those too.
Okay, strip the fuzz and use it to decorate the pockets.
Let's add a belt and little hearts.
Great idea. This goes here, and the hearts.
And of course, rhinestones.
You are going to absolutely shine in this outfit.
LaLiLu, I also need a little jacket.
How about this one?
Are you serious? That's not stylish at all. I want something cool. Oh, I've got it. Here, that's the one. Oops. Let's use this.
Smart move. Put the fur off the pen, cut it, take off this, and put it on as a jacket.
Wow, that's exactly what I wanted. The look is absolutely perfect. Thanks for the help. I gotta run.
All right, let's begin the fashion look competition. Lali, you're late.
Girls, scoot over.
Let me see. Interesting.
I'm so nervous. Everything is gonna be fine.
I am ready to announce the winner of the best fashion look competition. And the winner is...
Who? Woohoo!
What was that? Who just ran by? Oh no, my skirt! Oh, my outfit is ruined. What do I do?
Oh no, what a disaster! Lightning bulb moment. We'll fix it right now. Ta-da!
Wow, that's genius. Such an original solution, Lali. Well done. Your outfit is absolutely incredible.
Thank you. It's my original design.
The win is yours. I'm inviting you to the design college.
I'm gonna study fashion design. Congratulations, Lali.
You totally deserved it.
Psst, LaLiLu, I need your help.
What's going on?
Help me make a rock costume.
No problem.
I need an awesome outfit for the Huntrix concert.
Okay, have a seat for now. Want a cookie?
Yes, please, I'm starving.
This little paper cup is gonna come in handy. Cut off the bottom, apply glue, and join two pieces together as ruffles. There's a nice skirt. We also need a belt. What color should we color it? Oh, purple will do. Cut it out. Perfect.
So cool, LaLiLu. I know what to draw too. Look how it came out.
Oh wow, great work, Lily. Now let's cut it out. Fold back the lapels and try it on. Draw the stitches. Time for the decor.
Oh, cool stickers.
And a choker and some cups.
And I want stars too.
Punch them out with a hole punch. A few final touches, and voila!
Thank you, LaLiLu. I gotta go. Yay! I made it just in time. Your costume is so cool, Lily.
Where did you get it?
Thanks, it's my own design.
Girls, this is a disaster. What am I gonna do?
Rumi, what happened?
My luggage got lost, and I have nothing to wear for my performance.
Oh, Rumi, want me to make an outfit for you too?
Yes, absolutely.
We'll need some paper and scissors. Cut out the pieces, draw on them. Go ahead and try it on. Now for the belt. Let's also add stars, just like mine.
Wow, I love it.
We're not done yet. Adding epaulets. And there, your outfit is complete.
Oh, wow.
Wow, Rumi, you look incredible.
Thank you so much, Lily. You really saved me.
Anytime.
Time to perform.
Yay, Huntrix, you're the best! Wow! I love Huntrix too. Oh, that's my favorite song.
Excuse me, Lily?
Yes?
The costume you made for Rumi is simply stunning. I'd like to invite you to the design college.
That's absolutely amazing. I'll be studying there too. Let's go. Boarding is starting soon. I think I go this way. Okay, let's fly. Wow! That's our college. Oh, it's so gorgeous. It's literally a pink dream. Oh gosh, I'm so nervous. Don't stress. We've totally got this. Let's go. Wow, it's even more beautiful inside than outside. Good luck, Lily. You too, bestie. Is the seat taken?
Go ahead and sit.
Design class? I've been looking forward to it too. Here's our first assignment. We drape the fabric on the mannequin, pin it here, like that. Well, that wasn't too hard. I can't figure it out. Lily, how did you do that? Let me help you out. Oh, wow. Thank you so much. Anytime.
Dear students, today you have a unique opportunity to intern at our magazine. Tomorrow you will present your best designer look. Good luck to you all.
That slaps! This is the chance I've been waiting for my entire life! I need to go get ready right now. Okay, let's get to work on my sketches. No, that's not it. Oh, let me try again. Oh no, I don't like that either. I need to create a masterpiece. I have to win this competition. Oh, what is going on? Nothing is working. Oh, it's all wrong. What do I do? Tomorrow is such an important day, and I can't come up with an outfit. I'm never gonna win this contest. Lily, what happened? Why do you look so upset? I'm having a creative block. Not a single good idea. Let me see. Are you kidding? These are totally unique. Lily, you are so talented. Just don't give up. Wait a minute. Oh, I know exactly what I'm gonna do. Thank you, Lali. See, I knew you could do it. I gotta run. Gluing all the sketches together. Wow! Okay, I need more paper. Measure it out, make the pattern. Time to try it on. Perfect. Let's add a big heart right in the center. Now the skirt. Ta-da!
The skirt really did turn out completely one of a kind. Lali was right, you have a gift. Let's add the finishing touches. Wow, what a unique dress.
I love it too. I wonder how Lali is doing. Hey Lali, how are things going? Is everything really okay?
Everything's under control. Don't worry about me. I'm almost done.
Oh no, I haven't done anything yet. What do I do?
This is a total disaster! Lali, don't stress. You can do this.
Thanks for the support, LaLiLu. Oh, I have a vision. I need some materials. That's exactly what I need. LaLiLu, look what I found. This is gonna make an amazing dress. Okay, let's get started. The top will be heart-shaped, made with love. Now the skirt. We can try it on. Ta-da!
Not bad at all. Let's add a fluffy train for volume, blue for contrast, and a heart trim on the top.
We still have some pipe cleaner left.
Twist the pipe cleaner into a heart, a little glue, and decorate the skirt. Let's also add sleeves. We'll make the shoes fluffy too. Lali, you look absolutely incredible. Take a look at yourself.
Wow, I'm totally obsessed. Let's just add rhinestones. And here they are, dazzling! A fluffy pink and blue dress decorated with contrasting hearts and rhinestones. It came out so adorable. Thank you for the help, LaLiLu. I gotta go. Hey, girls.
All right, let's begin our showcase.
Good luck, Lily. Thanks, you too. I'm Lali, and this is my fluffy look. And I'm Lily, presenting my cardboard outfit.
Very impressive. Oh, I'm not sure. Yes, let's do it.
Oh gosh, I'm so nervous. We both did our absolute best.
It's time to announce the results. And the winner is Lali!
Yay! Hey, Lily, don't be sad. You still have the most beautiful dress of all. Thanks.
And also Lily!
Oh my gosh, that's me! I told you so. Subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. Bye-bye!